Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. The factory headlights in the Camaro do a great job, but there is always room for improvement. And the brand Spyder has taken that into account with their new sequential headlights for the 2016 to 2018 Camaro. These headlights are going to be a full replacement set that will give your Camaro the custom look without having the custom price tag. Spyder equipped these lights with a unique DRL that will shine a bright white when they are active. The curvature of the DRL plays a nice part in showing off the sequential turn signal that will have a full sweeping motion when active. Now for these lights, Spyder did take into account the different packages the Camaro is available in. So they created the Apex and Signature line of headlights that will look exactly the same from the outside, but will adapt to the different models available. The Apex line of headlights will fit the RS equipped models. These models will have the factory LED headlights that will have the DRL. The Signature line of headlights will fit the non-RS models. These models will have the halogen headlights without the factory DRL. The difference in these designs is the wiring to account for the different output levels and the LED or halogen bulbs to go along with the headlight. The Apex line of headlights will feature a bright LED bulb for the low beam and high beam. The Signature line of headlights will feature a halogen bulb for the low beam and high beam. So if you're trying to decide which version of these headlights are going to fit your model, it's just a matter of knowing if you have the RS or non-RS package. Either version of these headlights you need, you can be assured that Spyder has created the lights to work flawlessly while giving you that custom look. Each version of these lights are sealed units providing excellent protection against the open elements. So there is no need to worry about any moisture that happens with custom headlights. These units are sealed off to prevent that from happening. One last thing about these lights is that they are available in two different housing finishes. The set I have here is going to be the black version, but what I don't have here is going to be the chrome version. All the same features will remain the same with the chrome housing for any of those that are looking for the mirror-like finish on the inside of the headlights. To wrap it up, if you're looking for that custom look without the custom price tag for your 2016 to 2018 Camaro, then take a look at the Spyder sequential headlights. The unique DRL and sequential turn signal allow these lights to stand out in the crowd, and the different housing options allow you to choose what you want the final look to be. Don't forget about the different model fitments. The Apex version of these lights are going to be for the RS model, and the Signatures version for these lights are going to be for the non-RS models. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about these products, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.